Hi everyone, so I hope you all are doing well and making best use of the time and preparing pretty well for the NEET PG 2023 exam. I am getting a lot of requests from the students that they are still worried about the clinical pattern questions. There are so many resources, whether they should read first aid at this point of time. The time is too less, whether they will be able to add that into the preparation. So, the apprehension is increasing day by day for the clinical pattern question. So, address their query, I am helping them out by introducing Final Sprint 2.0. So, before subscribing to the course, I want you to first watch this video so that you identify that what is Final Sprint 2.0, what is new in it, and how it can benefit you for the exam. In Final Sprint 2.0, there are total 1400 clinical pattern questions. Now, these clinical pattern questions have been cherry-picked from some standard international books which are famous on clinical pattern, and they have been Indianized so that it simulates your Indian pattern of exam. Plus, a lot of new questions have been added on the basis of the current pattern of the exam, and that is why these are called as most probable MCQs. Doing these 1400 questions will reduce your fear of clinical pattern questions, that how they are being structured, and there are chances that some of them will be directly repeated from this question bank. How you are supposed to make best use of this? So these questions will be available to you in the form of 20 question papers of 70 questions each. So one of a big difference between Final Sprint 1.0 and 2.0 is now we have 70 questions in each paper, and the course will be available to attempt from 13th of January, and every alternate day you will have another paper to attempt. If you missed attempting a paper, you can still do it because it will be available to attempt after the date is over. So 13th you get one paper, 15th you get another paper, 17th you get another paper, 19th you get another paper, and over the period of next 40 days you will have 20 papers of 70 questions each. If you have done these 20 papers, I am very confident that your fear of clinical pattern question will definitely go, and this is gonna definitely give you an edge in the exam. The answers have been verified. The explanation of the question is being provided with every question. So I'm sure that it will be a very good experience for all of you. Do let me know if I can help you out in any other way. Take care guys, and may God bless you all.